Okay, trading this blow off top last night, just before the close. We got this big rally, big on the 1 hour. 1 hour is pretty conservative time frame to trade. This double tops, become a bottom. Of course, this is agonizing 8 hour pullback. Then we get the breakout here. We'll break out that high and break out the close right there. But then there's the stop back, stop out for anybody that wants to try to ride this like 50 pip rally. But it's not too late. You can still sell the breakout that never really follows through here, and you'd be up about 20 pips right now in this trade. And we've set in the 1 hour. You've got this channel forming here, and if you look at the daily, you're coming up on this previous support area. There's a double bottom here, so we could still get one more rally, but that was a nice scalp for the pullback. We blew through this support area here, but now we're in that kind of no man's land, kind of trap zone here. It's a real choppy up here at the top. I think it's definitely topping out. Looking for maybe one more rally to the top here. So I'll continually keep selling these moves up here. Just keep replacing a stack of sell limits above. Looking for a retest of the retest. And just keep stacking them up there. Kind of a crazy price here, 112.40. So we've come a long way. It's been pretty much straight up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days up, straight up. And now I'm looking to buy. If we pull back, I have a big buy order stacked down here, because we might get a pullback into this below here, and then I want to scalp the plunge into that. So if we go up here, I'm a seller. If we come down here, I'm a buyer. It's a buy low, sell high for me. So I'm going to put a scalp bank down here at this previous top. That's kind of an important area. Here's another place I have orders sitting. So either way, it looks like we're going to get a rally here. Now if you're going to go to the half hour, it's going to look like this, and I guess we could get another rally here. Another attempt to, if that was the breakout and then the pullback. There's one more rally left in this thing. Definitely want to take advantage of it. Smashing up into here and then ripping back. So that's possible. But what a show for the euro to finally make it back to the make it back. Still in a downtrend, technically. Of course, that's kind of and then you're right back to this soft spot, which is that which is this part here. Looks like this when you get those kind of soft, not really a top, it's like this line here. This was the big there's still a few pips to go there. Anyways, I don't know, the end of the week's here, so it's kind of like, I don't know, for me it's always a scalper's world, because I don't really want to be on for these long Now here's the 4 hour, and this is getting really a little steep. Not these channels don't last forever. Here was the top bottom on the 4 hour. Of course, that's with this broker. If you go to another broker, yeah, you still get a top bottom here. So here's your top bottom, and not as perfect as this top bottom because that broker updates at a different time. So you don't get the perfect. Okay, let's sell some more here. Sell one more time into this top. I think we're gonna go for the gusto and try to ramrod this one more time. Cha-ching into the round handle pullback, and that's my my strategy for today. Come up into the that resistance one more time. But yeah, that is a wacky ass. This is a nice 50 pip rally breakout. Your typical. And there you go. Now it could come slamming back below here. Ideally for me, that's the strategy I prefer. Is comes ripping back, plunges here, then bounces up into there. But I don't know. The European, there's some kind of bank holiday in Europe, so I don't know, the banks are trading, so it's kind of a free-for-all. And a lot of this might just be, a lot of this spiking up here might just be the fact that it's not as liquid or something. Who knows? Well, we know this is resistance because you can see that it pulled back off of that. So without going too far into, and if you're going to do the 1 hour close, you can see that those are flash moves. This climaxed right at the top of the hour. This could have been 3 p.m. when the bond market closed. I don't know, I was sleeping then. But I put a bank of orders up there to sell just the same. And it was selling just beyond this top, all the way, actually from here, all the way up was a sell. But this little nick here could have just been a breakout. This is the pullback, and now we're going to go up. That's possible too. But in the meantime, if you're on the 15-minute, this would be the pullback. And maybe there's one last plunge, I mean upward plunge, rally left here. Go up and capture all these cells I placed up here. I'll put some more in and put some in pretty close to where we're at. Pretty aggressively, just sell, sell, sell. And then put another bank in here. Okay, we're coming up. Getting filled on some of these. Just about to get filled on some of these. So it's a real, you know, it's always a daredevil thing selling up into that, but it's usually the most profitable. Of course, if it blasts through like last night, I kind of was eager to sell this rally here, and I sold a little too hard into that, so I lost a few pips here because I really considered this to be the especially this round number here to be the big resistance. But that's, I made it all back when it took out this top, took out that, smashed up into that. Okay, now one more rally here, place some more orders, looking to scalp this top. And as you can hear the top of the hour, we might just get a climax right into that. Ideally, right at the top of the hour, it reverses and comes flying back to Earth. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause here, come back in top of the hour, about 3 minutes before the top of the hour here. And there, I just put in some more orders. We're trying to push one more tired, exhausted move to the top there. So I just got filled on some cells up in here, put a crop up there, and put more way up. Probably never get filled on these, but oh well. If you do, that's a great place for one of these plays where spike up, spike down, pretty fast money. Spike up, drift down, but it's fast money. Okay, then I'm gonna go put the 1 hour here in the rearview mirror, and this is the 30, and just looking for that launch up into that and rip back. Of course, top of the hour is always a frantic turnaround. It's got filled on 1 here. Well, we got 1 fill here. Another insane nest of orders up and way up there. Go to the daily. Looks pretty undoable. The 4 hour looks better. You get this nice triple top. And your last projection point here. Hanging off the highest close, which is there. So I kind of hit the target price there. All right. Got 1 minute left here, 30 seconds before the top. And hopefully it's going to be a blast up and then a pullback. Or it's just going to pull back. It's just going to step away. Okay, we just closed this chart. I guess my clock's off. My clock's slow by 10 seconds. We just completed that. Yeah, big resistance up here. So this is the line of scrimmage. If we come flying back to here or below, I'll be the buyer. Okay, well, that's about it. I don't know. Let's sit back and see what happens as I come back in 15 minutes here. Well, here is the big rally, the big blow off top. So I'm getting filled on these orders up here. At quarter after, we're getting this big smash and grab. So this would be the big selling point here. Looking at the daily, and coming up into this critical double bottom. I don't know if we'll make it there, but that's my big blow off top, breakout, pull back. Good for one more push here. Another big panic into this round handle here. So sell all the way up into that. A few pips here. And then wait for it to come back to the starting gate, the breakout point. Back here. And hopefully it's some quick and dirty money. Don't want to wait too long on these trades. Well, so there you go. 15 minutes after the top of the hour, we got the last blast, and then there's the scalp. That's the pullback. It's a high probability trade. That's all I'm thinking about. So we just have to wait for that to play out. Hopefully it goes higher. So I can, hopefully it hits that round handle.